Hello, friends all over the world. You are welcome to another episode of Wisdom for Living. My name is Femi Durojaye. Today, I want to talk about friends. Talking about friends can take hours, but I'll try to talk about it in a few minutes. I think it was Shalamar, the group, the American group, that sang about friends. I got friends, friends. You can bet I got friends. Friends are one of the greatest gifts from God. You know, one of the greatest gifts from God are the friends that we have. Um, isn't it surprising that some of the greatest gifts from God are very close to us, very close to our environment? For example, the parents that we have, who are they are our best friends for life. They are here with us. At least for those who still have their parents, they once had parents anyway. Your best friends that will ever remain your best friends are your parents. And our benefactors, they don't really live very far from us. Maybe they're a phone call away. Those who you went to school with, those you have lived in the same house with, our benefactors are always very close to us. You understand? They are not very far. God has not hidden them under the rock. You understand? And then you consider maybe our siblings who are our friends for life. So God's blessings of friends is very important. It's one of the greatest blessings that God has bestowed upon man. Well, you will never have more than three, maybe five marks true friends. You don't need more than those ones. You don't need more than those ones. You will find out in the course of your life that your friends, the ones that you call, who are not your siblings or family, those who are your real friends, they are no more than three or four or five. And they are sufficient for you to enjoy life. Now, you will get, as I said, you will get to know these 3 to 5 people in the course of your life. Now, understand something about your friends, your close friends. Understand that they are human and therefore they will make mistakes. They are human and they may not meet all your expectations. Don't demand more than that. That they are your friend, people that you can trust is enough. Understand that when they do something wrong, because they are human, even you do something wrong also. Forgive them. Don't hold malice with those that God has blessed you with, as true friends. Forgive them quickly. Understand that you too, you are not perfect. Don't expect perfection from your close friends when you too, you are not even perfect. You understand? Give them an allowance to make mistake. You understand? Don't say, this guy, you are too close to me. They can make mistakes. Many people have destroyed the relation between their relationship with their friends because they are just disappointed that how could this person do this? They are human. They are human, and they will always make mistakes. Give them that allowance in order to keep your friends. Remember, friends are a blessing from God. Now, deliberately pick the kind of friends you want to associate with. Be intentional. Your friends can cause you to miss your way for several years. They can do that. They can cause you that. You know? Be intentional about the kind of friends you keep. Avoid those who are forever competing with you. You buy one dress, until they buy that dress, they are not happy. Avoid them. They are not your friends. Avoid them. Those who are always in competition with you, avoid them. Now, among your group of friends, draw closer to those who are more intelligent than you, who are more enterprising than you. You understand? It is said that if you are friends with four intelligent people, you'll be the fifth. Be deliberate about friendship. What else? What else? Um, Take criticisms from your friends in good faith. It is those who want you to succeed, who want you to be the best, that criticize you. Take criticism from your friends in good faith. Well, let's leave this friend thing. It's here today. Maybe at another time, I will spend quality time dwelling on the characteristics of friends and how they can change your life dramatically. It has happened to me. So I'm talking from a place of experience. We'll see yet again on the next episode of Wisdom for Living. Stay blessed.